It's raining, it's pouring, but how is your HVAC unit holding up? Rain or shine, the HVAC experts at Big Mountain Heating and Air have your back when it comes to keeping your unit up to date. And joining us live this morning on their services that they provide is Baron Larson. Good morning, Baron.
Hey, Desiree. Yeah, raining, it's pouring. Hopefully, your heating and air is not snoring. How's that?
There we go. I like that. I like the rhyming you got there. Well, Baron, like you mentioned, it's pouring, but what are some of the procedures that Big Mountain technicians do that allow you to guarantee homeowners a greater savings on their annual utility bills than the cost of your YCL service offer?
Well, as you know, Desiree, that's not the only guarantee that we offer the folks out there when they take advantage of our 2-for-1 system rejuvenation. According to the American Lung Association, over 7 million children have asthma today, which is an increase, get this, of over 200% in just the last 20 years. Can you see why that might be?
Yeah, we're looking
Your
at all
heating and
that
air
dirt.
system, big time. It harbors mold and dust mites and bacteria, fungus, just all kinds of filth. Need I mention viruses? Without regular service, this kind of mold and viruses and bacteria can actually breed inside your central heating and air conditioning system. It's obviously very unhealthy. And that's why I say when we perform our system rejuvenation, it's not just a savings in your utility bill, which is huge, but it's also a guarantee against all of the unhealthy filth that comes along with not taking care of your heating and air conditioning system.
Yeah, I definitely want to make sure we're maintaining that consistently. And Baron, how much does the average homeowner in Northern California pay in utility dollars running their AC and furnace annually?
Well, I've been mentioning this the last few weeks that we've been on here, and that is historically it's been about $1,000 a year. And that's not just my figure, that's according to the California Public Utilities Commission or Energy Commission, I think it is, and PG&E, about $1,000 a year. That's just running your heating and air conditioning system, typically around 3,000 hours per year. So it's going to be much more this next coming year, and you really want to take care of your system and save a ton of money. And we can save you a lot of money because of the unique service that we offer. It's not just a tune-up sales gimmick.
Yeah, I was going to ask, what makes Big Mountain Heating and Air's rejuvenation service different than the normal air conditioner tune-up we might hear about?
I'm thinking of there's two major things. Number one, it's very comprehensive. It's two parts. It's not just one air conditioner or a furnace or one air conditioner service for somewhere between 80 and 90 bucks typically. It's both. And that gives us the ability to guarantee your complete system against breakdown for the course of the next 12 months, or the service is free. And that's unique, folks, if you didn't realize that. And we do it at a special YCL loss leader pricing special.
Alrighty, and what is that special you have for our YCL viewers, Baron?
Yeah, if you're one of the first 10 callers during the show, if we haven't filled the queue, it's only 69 bucks to the first 10 callers. And again, that's annual fee, and you'll only find that price. It's a special pricing that we only offer on YCL. You won't find it any place else. If you go to our website only, you can, you'll pay more. But why pay more when you can pay less?
There we go. I like that. Why pay more when you can pay less? Thanks again, Baron, for joining us this morning. And for more on their heating and air services, visit bigmountainair.com.